Since the last few days, I have been getting lots of emails and SMSs from my students that, sir, we are preparing for C Intermediate May 2023 attempt, but we are really worried about cost accounting. We have less time. We have not yet prepared for costing. Sir, how can we do that? So I have come up with a solution. Welcome to the KSJ family, guys. I'm your friend, your mentor, Sauarv Jindal, bringing you the best solution, the best strategy for preparing cost accounting in less time. So some of the students were really worried. They asked me that, sir, we are just left with 2 months now. It's March, it's the start of the March and April. Sir, can we score at least the passing marks in the costing? Then I assured them that not only the passing marks, you can even score exemption 70 plus, 80 plus in the costing by just preparing for 1 month. But for that, you will have to put in the efforts and follow the strategy that I will be telling you. And the few of those have already implemented that strategy. They have already implemented the way I told them that how you can score in less time, how you can prepare for the costing in less time. Yes, that will require some investment, but the strategy is definitely going to work for you in the May 2023 attempt. Okay, sir, we are really eager to see what that strategy is, to know what that strategy is, because this is a problem of not one, two, or a few people only. This is a problem of many students. So that is why I'm preparing this video. I'm here to share with all of you. I thought, why to keep this strategy with only the few limited people who are, asking through mails and messages? Why not share with the mass who already might be suffering from this? Isn't it? This is a huge problem, sir. We just took the off from the articleship. Now we are left with the 2 months. How can we prepare the cost accounting subject? That's a big issue, right? We don't have much of the time to go for the extended lectures, right? So I'm going to tell you just one strategy, right? Just follow that, and definitely in the past also, our students of KSJ Teaching have followed that strategy, and they have easily covered a journey from 20 marks in costing to more than 60 marks in costing by just following this strategy, and they prepared in less than 2 months, right? So what is the strategy? I'm going to share with you guys. So one thing is very clear, sir. If you have sufficient time, then do not follow this strategy. Then follow the alternative strategy. Alternative strategy is our YouTube lectures, the complete YouTube lectures of cost accounting, even the free live batches going on right now, because some of you might be new on this channel. And if you are new on this channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and share with all your friends. So if you are preparing for November 2023 or afterward attempt, then you have sufficient time, right? Then you can go for the YouTube lectures, and along with the YouTube lectures, you can invest in our handbooks, the ICAI SM series and the All-Rounder series, or right? So this is for those who have the sufficient time. Now, this particular video I'm preparing for all those who have less time with them, right? Who want to prepare the costing in the best way, but in a very short time, sir. For them, what is the strategy? Listen to it very carefully for the next 5 minutes. Do not leave here, right? Some important tips, some important messages for all of you. So please be in the video till the end and know the strategy, what it can be, right? So the strategy is that go for the fast track course. Now, what is this fast track course? What all is going to be covered in the fast track course? The fast track course will cover what, sir? This will cover all the concepts. The 100% concepts are covered in the fast track course. Not even a single concept we are going to leave in that, right? So this is a fast track course. The concepts are covered, right? And along with that, what you will get is you will get the hard copy of the handbooks. Plus, sir, will there be ICAI study mat covered? Because this is one of the most important materials, and the student says the first thing that I have to do is the ICAI material. So we have got that covered also. 100% coverage. 100% coverage of ICAI SM, right? And another interesting thing about all these lectures is, sorry guys, the screen was not there earlier with you guys. Now the screen will be there, right? So I'll explain it again, that the fast track courses are there with the 100% concept clarity. The handbooks, hard copy of the handbooks are there, and the 100% coverage of the ICAI study material is there. And the wonderful part of all these lectures is that our lectures are available in Hindi as well as English language. So we have not restricted to just one language. Everybody from the whole of India can join the courses. This fast track course available in Hindi as well as English mode, in English language, right? And these fast track courses are available currently in the mobile view only. The laptop view is not available for the fast track courses. Sir, what is Duo and Trio that you have written with the fast track courses? That is for the handbooks that you will be getting, right? In Duo, you will be getting this part, the concept book and the solved question book, both in black and white form. And in Trio, you will be getting the concept book in the colored form, right? Solved question answer book and the capsule edition, that is the one-day revision booklet that you will be getting, right? So it's your choice whether you want to go for the fast track course with the handbook Duo or whether you go for the fast track course with the handbook Trio. The content is same. Even the content of the lectures is same. Right, and it is available in both languages, in Hindi or English, whichever language you want to go for, it is available in both the languages, right? And believe me guys, the people who understand English from the southern part of India, they have been loving this content. They have been loving this content. In the last few days, the more of the mails I have been getting is from the southern part of India that, sir, we want to cover that, right? But this video is for each and every one, right? So this is the fast track course. And what is the approximate duration of the course, sir? This course is approximately 70 hours. So you can easily calculate, sir, you have, how many days you have? Let's say you have 50 days with you. And if you are going to spend, let's say 4 hours on costing each day, then you can calculate how many days you will need for this. How many days, sir? Approximately 20 days you will need to cover the whole of costing. You have 50 days with you. You can cover the whole of costing in 20 days. You will still have 30 days to revise it once. Isn't it? You will get the sufficient validity, sufficient everything you will get in abundance, I can say, right? The validity in terms of number of views, it is available. Now, how to get this course? The main question is how to get this course. This is a paid course, a nominally paid course, right? But yes, the advantage, the benefit that you are going to get from this course is much higher than what you are going to invest in this course, right? It is available from our mobile app, right? It is available from our mobile app, the Android and iOS, for both the versions it is available. The links are given in the description of this video, that how to download the mobile app. Everything is given in the description of this video. You can go there, join the fast track course. Now, for my Hindi students, for the Hindi speaking students, there is another course that can really help them, right? Sir, कौन सा कोर्स है ऐसा जिससे कि हम लोग बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं, बहुत से बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे मार्क्स लेकर आ सकते हैं? तो वो कोर्स है जिसको नाम दिया हम लोगों ने, कर लो कॉस्टिंग मुट्ठी में। तो यही वो टाइम है जिसमें हम लोग कॉस्टिंग को अभी भी हम लोग अपनी मुट्ठी में कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको अभी भी डर लग रहा है तो छोड़ दो उस डर को और बोलो कर लो कॉस्टिंग मुट्ठी में। सर, क्या है इस कोर्स में? इस कोर्स में आपको फास्ट ट्रैक तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा। फास्ट ट्रैक तो आपको मिलेगा जिसमें 100% कवरेज ऑफ द ICISM है, बुक्स हैं, कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, सब कुछ मिलेगा। साथ में हमारा ऑलराउंडर कोर्स भी मिलेगा। ऑलराउंडर कोर्स में क्या है सर? ऑलराउंडर कोर्स में आपका ICAI स्टडी मैट तो कवर हो ही रहा है, RTP, MTP, previous year questions from May 2018 attempt, but currently it is available only in Hindi, right? It is not available in English language. For English, you can go for the fast track with 100% coverage of the ICAI study material and the handbooks. And believe me guys, the handbooks contain some of the really good questions which have been asked in the past also in the ICAI examinations, right? So I hope this is going to help you a big time, and I believe it. And the students have been believing in it. That is the one of the biggest thing, that all our members, which the students, we call them the members of the KSJ family, they have been believing in this strategy in the past and they have achieved results with this strategy. So if you really want to achieve those kind of results which you have been dreaming of, right? Obviously, sir, we dream of achieving the exemptions 70 plus, 80 plus. But the problem here is we do not have that much of the time for the preparation. That is the real problem. But now you have got the solution. It's time to implement the solution, sir. It's time to take action. It's not the time to sit back, relax, and think. Or some of the students ask me that, sir, can we skip this attempt of May 2023 and prepare for November 2023? The first wording that I told them, that dare you do that, dare you skip attempt because you have less attempt. No, we have a solution for that. Every problem has a solution. Why not you focus on the solution? Why are you just focused on the problem, and instead of finding the right solution, you are just trying to linger on that problem, that let's take this problem to November. Face this challenge in the May 2023, and I have given you the perfect strategy, the perfect recipe for scoring at least exemption in the cost accounting. Right? So tell me in the comment section how many of you guys are ready to follow this strategy and ready to kickstart your preparation of cost accounting for May 2023. And believe me, guys, believe me, you will get the best of query support from my side, right? Till your examinations, till you clear your examinations, you are going to get the best of query support for this particular course or any of the courses that you are buying, right? But now it's time to take action. The action oriented you have to be. Right? I've told you the strategy, the implementation of that strategy depends upon you people, whether you really believe in yourself that we can do it, right? And you really believe in the things that this strategy will work out. The important thing is, along with this strategy, you need to have a positive mindset that yes, I can do it. You need to give that affirmation to yourself every morning, every night, that yes, I can do that and I will do that. I'm not going to skip this attempt and I'm going to give the best in May 2023. Right? So this was the solution that I wanted to share with all of you. Your friends are already taking the benefit of this strategy. Now it's time for you to not get worried about costing and implement the right strategy at the right time, right? So all the links are given in the description of this video. All those who want to implement this strategy, I've given the mobile app links and all the links in the description of this video. Go check it out, guys. All the best for your preparations for May 2023. Stay blessed, stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you all. Thank you so much.